This is a short video on what I learned while doing training in Stuttgart with an American Indian Uruguayan company for Stuttgart company. 1. Speak slowly. So if it's all in English, speak slowly. 2. Engage. If you have an Indian guy talking, have the Indian guy engage the audience right away. Don't have him talk in the monotone Indian style, because Germans are going to have a really tough time. They've told me that many times to understand the Indian guy. 3. Use live demos, because they'll call you on your technical abilities. So use live demos. Demo, say Jira, Salesforce into Jira, into code change, into an AWS Modern Pipeline that gets GitLab and SonarQube and Jenkins, and then containerizes and publishes it up, right? 5. Expect surveys. But they're paper, but they'll get scanned. So, each section, 4 or 5 sections a day, surveys. 6. Stay a day or two extra for follow-on meetings. And those are my tips. Thanks so much.